In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Shopify app on your laptop or PC. If you've been searching for a native Windows app for Shopify, you may have noticed it's not available. But don't worry, because I'm here to guide you on how to use your Chrome browser to install Shopify as an app on your desktop. This method provides a seamless experience, almost like using a dedicated application. So, let's dive into it. First things first, ensure that you have the Chrome browser installed on your computer, as we're going to use it to turn your Shopify website into an app-like shortcut. Once that's sorted, open Chrome and head over to the Shopify website. You'll want to log into your Shopify account if you haven't done so already. Simply enter your credentials, and once you're signed in, you'll be ready for the next steps. Now, at the top right corner of your Chrome window, you'll notice 3 vertical dots. This is the menu icon. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear before you. If you're used to using Chrome, this menu should look familiar. Within this menu, scroll down to find the Cast, Save and Share option and hover over it. When you hover, more options will unfold, bringing you one step closer to turning Shopify into an app on your computer. Among the options that appear, you'll see one labeled Install Page as App. This is the crucial part. Click on Install Page as App, and voila! You're almost finished. What this does is it creates a standalone app experience for Shopify, directly on your laptop or desktop, integrating it smoothly as if it were a native application. To enhance accessibility even further, you might want to consider creating a shortcut. The process is straightforward. After clicking Install Pages App, a prompt will ask you if you'd like to create a shortcut. By choosing this, Chrome will generate a convenient shortcut directly on your desktop. This allows for quick access without the need to cycle through links or bookmarks, enhancing your workflow and efficiency each time you need to manage your Shopify store. And just like that, you're all set. You've successfully turned Shopify into an app-like experience on your PC, providing you hassle-free access at any time. It's as simple as a few clicks of the mouse, allowing you to focus more on managing your store, rather than navigating through browser tabs. Thanks to this method, you can quickly jump into the Shopify ecosystem right from your desktop, keeping all the essential functionalities at your fingertips. So, there you have it. Installing Shopify as an app via Chrome is a practical workaround to address the absence of a dedicated Windows app. Feel free to drop a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to like our video if you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more tutorials and tips, and happy shopping!